This is why a male lion mates with a lioness 100 times a day. There is a reason why lions are called the king of the jungle. They are not just kings because they are mighty and fierce, but also because they have an incredibly high sex drive. Such a sex drive is essential to ensure breeding in the jungle. When the mating season is near, a male lion will not even let the female lion out of his sight for long. That is because he knows that if he lets her go, other male lions will find her and she will mate them. So, as the mating season goes on, male lions become incredibly competitive. All male lions want to ensure that they are the dominant ones in the pride. Mating many times, sometimes even 100 times a day, helps the male lions ensure their dominance by fathering as many cubs as they can. However, mating so many times in a day is not just beneficial for the male lion, but also for the lioness. That is because having so much sex in a day increases the chances of the female lion to have a successful pregnancy and healthy cubs by breeding with various males. So, mating so many times offers both the male lion and the lioness with a win-win situation in the jungle. Remember that it is not necessary for the male lion to mate with one lioness 100 times a day. Usually, the male lion will mate with many lionesses in a day to find a fertile one and increase his offspring. So, generally, lions can mate with 50 different lionesses in a day. Male lions are incredibly dependent, and they might form a single pride of 2 to 4 group members. On the other hand, lionesses have larger groups that can have more than 30 animals. So, when the male lion takes over one of these prides, he will mate with all of the females inside that pride in one day to increase his chances of having offspring. You might be wondering why they need to increase their chances of offspring by having sex 100 times a day with up to 50 females. The answer is simple. A lioness is sexually receptive, or an estrus, for just a few days every year. So, when the lion mates multiple times, it enables him to increase his chances of fertilizing her eggs. Besides that, sperm from various male lions can compete for fertilization inside the lioness. That is why male lions mate with multiple partners to guarantee that some lionesses get pregnant from their sperm. Unlike other animals in the animal kingdom, lions also don't leave their cubs. These little babies will stay with the male lion for up to 2 years. That is why it is in the best interest of the male lion to have as many cubs as possible so he can father them. On average, the lioness will mate 8 to 10 times per estrus cycle. We established before that male lions are incredibly competitive, especially when it comes to mating matters. Because of this, male lions can also kill the cubs of other males when they want to have exclusive access to female mates. Such behavior is common and happens more often than we care to think. This is everything you need to know about why male lions mate with a lioness 100 times a day. Yes, their sexual drive is incredibly high, and they only get a small window during the entire year to get the lioness pregnant, so she can produce cubs for the male lion. Lions are highly social animals while having a competitive streak. We hope you liked our video. Let us know in the comments below any other fact you know about lions to add to our knowledge, because we would love to know. For more such interesting content, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.